I'm about to make something that only I eat. No one else in my family, my immediate family, my kids and my husband, they don't eat pig feet. I eat any kind of pig feet. Pickled pig feet. I don't care what kind of pig feet. Boiled pig feet, stem pig feet. You got it. I love it. But I've been summoned to cook this outside because no one likes the smell. So first I boiled it one time, and I boiled it again until the water run clear. And then once it's clean, I'm going to add some onions and then a mixture of hot sauce and vinegar. I added a bunch of seasonings that y'all didn't see, and then I added some pickled jalapenos, and I just let it cook until everything was fall off the bone, delicious. The jalapeno brine and then the Cajun seasoning, y'all, this, I was just in straight heaven. If you like pig feet, like, you know I am in straight heaven right now. I'm about to enjoy this, but my kids are straight haters, guys.
I'll tell you what she's doing right now.